Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. Start by opening your Facebook. In upper right corner click on your profile icon. Settings and privacy. Settings. Now on the left pane, click See More in Account Center. Here, on the left side, choose Password and Security and two-factor authentication. Choose your account. Now check your email and copy verification code. Now you can choose from three authentication methods: authentication application in your phone, text message, or security keys. I would recommend authentication application. Click Next. Now if you don't have Google Authenticator installed, please install it from Google Play or App Store. Open Google Authenticator application. Click on plus button on bottom right corner and select Scan QR code. Scan your QR code and click Next. Now enter the code from Google Authenticator application. And you are done. Two-factor authentication is enabled for your account. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.